Hi guys, welcome to Fun with Java. So today I'm going to proceed with the next topic, which is string operators. So just as what we have learned before, string is actually a sequence of character. So Java actually provides many operators for string to function. The first one and the most common one is concatenation. So what is concatenation actually? It actually means a plus sign, and it's used to append a string, which simply means combine two strings together. If the expression begins with a string and uses the plus operator, then the next argument is converted to a string and then combined with the string before. And also remembers that a strings cannot be compared with relational operators, which is the equal sign and not equal signs, because it's not character, it's not integer. There's another way that we are going to compare between strings. I'm going to show you with a few examples. Okay, so look at here. When we use the plus sign, it actually combines the first word hello and the second word word into a string called s1. When we printed it out, hello world is shown. And also the plus sign can be used in printing, because just as we have known, printing is actually we actually print a string also. So the plus can be used when we are combining the string in printing. The value of I is plus the I. So we have the I value 35, which means the string that's going to print is the value of I is 35, and then plus another string, and the value of J is, and the last one is 44. So the value of I is 35 and the value of J is 44. Okay, so the next problem is, how are we going to compare between string, since I've already said that we cannot use the relational operators, right? So Java actually provides with a method in string class called dot equals. This dot equals method actually, it functions just as the equal sign. It's just that it's in the word form. Okay, string s1 hello, string s2 hello also. So if it is a character of integer, we can actually just use the equal sign. Since it is comparing between a string, we use the dot equals s2. Dot equals hi. The first one is a true, the second one is a false. Alright, so I'm going to proceed with a few more examples. Okay, so look at here. I've already made four strings. String A is fun, string B is with, string C is Java, string D is another fun. So try to guess, what if I'm going to combine A, B, and C. If I printed it, what should be the output? You can try to guess it, and I'm going to type it for you. Out.print line. Okay. A plus. Remember to use the plus sign. And if we are using, we want to print a string in the system out print line, we need to use the inverted comma. B plus with C. Okay, so by right, the answer should be fun with Java, right? Okay, let's look at it. All right, fun with Java. Okay, so this is how we actually combine string together. Just use the plus sign. It's very easy to understand, right? Okay, the second problem. Since we have the first one, string A equals to fun, and then string B with another fun. So how are we going to compare between these two? We use the A dot equals method equals B. Okay. So if we compare between A and B, the answer should be false, right? What if it's between A and D? Let's look at it. Okay. All right. A dot equals B is a false. A dot equals D is a true. So you can actually see here the dot equal sign function just as the relational operator equal. It's just that we use it in another form. We use it to compare between strings. Okay, so remember these two things, and you can actually manage to use string in your program. All right, thank you. That's all for my topic, which is string operator, and I hope you enjoy this. We hope you enjoy our program, which is Fun with Java, and hope to see you again. Bye.